Which of the following mixture will lead to the formation of negatively charged colloid? So, means I minus ions must be more. So, they are given options here. 50 ml of 0.1 molar AgNO3, 50 ml of 0.1 molar Ki, and so on and so forth. So, what we have to observe first? Let us see now. So, here colloid is AgI. On this, you should get I minus ion now. Now, when you take regarding preparation of silver iodide salt, we prepare from silver nitrate and potassium iodide now. This gives AgI. Yes, of course, KNO3. So, when these two are in equal proportions, then only PPT are going to get. Suppose if say Ki is more than AgNO3, then the common ion gets adsorbed on that. So for AgI, the common ion coming from Ki will be iodine only. So I minus gets adsorbed on this one now. Means you are going to get now negative charge. So if you take Ki more, you are going to get negatively charged salt. Suppose if you take AgNO3 more than Ki. Now for AgI, common ion is Ag plus from AgNO3. In such a situation, for AgI, then Ag plus starts adsorbing on that. Thereby you are going to get a positive charged salt now. So always adsorption takes place, but here the adsorption takes place only if you have a common ion in that. So preferential adsorption of common ion always takes place to get a particular type of charge. Since we require here negatively charged salt, definitely potassium iodide should be more. Now let us see the options now. In first option, if you are observing now, 50 ml 1 molar, 0.1 molar, 50 ml 0.1 molar, both are of equal proportions. Therefore, this will not cause. Next, 50 ml 0.1 molar, 50 ml 0.2 molar now implies Ki is more in this case. So, this can form negatively charged salt. Third one, 50 ml 0.2 molar, 50 ml 0.1 molar. Here, AgNO3 is more. Means here you are going to get positive charge. The last one, 50 ml 0.2, 50 ml 0.2. Again, both are equal in this case. So, A and D will be precipitates only. B and C will be colloidal solutions. But B is going to be negatively charged and C is going to be positively charged. So, answer is B option for us now. Answer is B.